of walls. Walls that are drawn too small simply won't print. We're now going to draw some thin walls in Tinkercad. The walls will be placed on a base and then 3D printed. The first wall is just 0.1mm thick, which is too small to be 3D printed, but let's see what happens. Using the duplicate tool in Tinkercad, we can replicate the wall. And then we're going to change the thickness of each wall so we have a range from 0.1mm to 0.8mm. Finally, we'll make the wall central on our base before sending the model to the 3D printer. The model we sent to the 3D printer had 8 walls, but as you can see, only 6 are being 3D printed. The walls with a thickness of 0.1 and 0.2mm were too small, meaning the slicing software did not generate a path for them. Most 3D printers have a nozzle diameter of 0.4mm, and it's recommended to draw features at least twice the size of your nozzle diameter. Let's take a look at our architectural model and check the wall thickness of the areas in red. The walls are just 0.2mm thick, so if this was 3D printed at this size, the walls would not print. Therefore, you would have to increase the thickness. In this example, we're going to increase the wall thickness to 0.8mm, which is twice our nozzle diameter.